If you're looking for a remodeling website, Launch Kits can have you live in just 5 days for under $1,000. Our proven launch kit process will have you go from not being found on Google in the bottom of the list to being found #1 by name on the right with a Google business profile and #1 on the column by name for an organic listing. We'll also help you follow all the best practices to keep growing your remodeling website online. If you're an owner of a remodeling business and you build home additions, remodel kitchens and bathrooms, and you're looking for a kitchen remodeling website or a bathroom makeover website design that is proven to work, our proven process will have you live in just 5 days. We can build you the perfect website. If you want to know what the perfect website is, you can read our article that's shown to work for over 700 websites that we actively built, manage, and maintain across the country. Launch Kits is a unique process where we take a proven template and framework that works for remodeling websites, and we apply that to your brand, customize it to be your story and resonate with your audience. And we provide unlimited updates, support, hosting, security, backups, tracking, all for one low monthly fee. Launch Kits can have you live in just 5 days with your remodeling website being found online. So if you want to see some of our best designs or you want to see a sample of our work, reach out to the highest rated web design company in the country. That's us. My name's Justin. I'm the CEO and founder of LaunchKits.com, and I look forward to helping your remodeling website be found online. Have a great day.